Hi guys, I'm making here macaroni, chicken macaroni salad. I have macaroni here and this is chicken, cooked chicken. And I will add, here, you wanna hold it, Bill? Hold it. I have this Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail. And pineapple tidbits. And I have to add this real mayonnaise.
That's a beautiful coat.
How many grams is this? 450, 470 ml. I will mix this.
Now this idea originated about 2 years ago. One night Marty was playing the piano at our radio studio, and Merle walked in, and he got a guitar and sat down, and we had a pretty good 2 hours there. And I got them to do a tune together that they had never done before, and I thought...
Add Nestle cream. Good?
Good job.
Try well.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you
Good job.
for watching.